Welcome to Digital Electronics Experiment Lecture Series. Today I'll be going to show you 1-bit comparator using Multisim software. So let us take in component first. So first go to Mix Digital, then go to TTL, and here we get XNOR get. Then we need AND get. After that NOT get. To copy the component, first select the component and then press Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. Now, to apply the frequency at input side, we need a function generator. So here we get function generator. Here we connect function generator's positive terminal at input side of this gate and common terminal with ground. For ground, go to source, then go to power source, and here we get ground. To observe the output, we need oscilloscope. So here we get 4-channel oscilloscope. So now we connect first oscilloscope A channel at input A and B channel at input B. Now we connect second oscilloscope A channel with output Y1, B channel at output Y2, C channel at output Y3. Here we apply 250 Hz frequency in square waveform at input A and 500 Hz frequency in square waveform at input B. So now all the setup of 1-bit comparator is completed. So let's simulate the circuit. For simulation, click on Run and double click on Oscilloscope. So here, first we need to set this all waveform in oscilloscope screen, so we get clear idea about the output. So here we can see that the first waveform is input A, the second waveform is input B. In the second oscilloscope screen, the first waveform is output Y1, second waveform is output Y2, and third waveform is output Y3. When A equal to 0, B equal to 0, at a time Y1 equal to 1, Y2 equal to 0, and Y3 equal to 0. When A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, at a time Y1 equal to 0, Y2 equal to 0, and Y3 equal to 1. When A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, at a time Y1 equal to 0, Y2 equal to 1, and Y3 equal to 0. When A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, at that time Y1 equal to 1, Y2 equal to 0, and Y3 equal to 0. So I hope you get clarification about 1-bit comparator. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query regarding this video, then write on comment box. I'll be definitely try to solve your queries.